So guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install OptiFabric for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to write OptiFabric Moderate and click on the Moderate link. Then you need to go to versions, then you need to go to game versions and 26.1 and select the latest release. Then what you need to do here is to right click on download and then copy link address. Then press open up new folder here and new tab and write me Mr. Back to zip. Click on fabulously optimize here and then enter the URL here and press download. And then save it to desktop or whatever you like. Once it's saved, then you need to go to fabric mc.net. Go to Fabric Loader and download for Windows. And then save it to whatever you like as well. Once it's done, completely close Minecraft Launcher and go to install Fabric Installer. At 26.1, install. You should get successfully installed. If you if you're getting error message, there is two ways why. First, your Minecraft Launcher is not completely closed, so you need to go to Task Manager and look for Minecraft tasks. Another thing is that you don't have Java, so just go and install Java. Then what you need to do here, look for OptiFabric, right click on it, extract all, and then save it to whatever you like. In my case, will be desktop. So select mods and you will see a bunch of different mods files. So what you need to do next here is to launch Minecraft Launcher and wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then you need to go to Java Edition, installations here, look for Fabric Loader 26.1, press on Open Installation folder. Then you should see mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, then just press new and create mods folder and name it like this, like mods. And then you need to just copy and drag and drop to the mods folder, basically mods from OptiFabric here. If you have similar mods, you can replace it if you want to. And after you do so, launch the game through Fabric Loader 26.1. So I am in the game, and if we press on the mods, we can see that all the mods is working here. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.